Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to transfer funds from Robinhood to Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing you this on the Interactive Brokers website, but you can grab your Robinhood account info from either the app or their site. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once you're at the main interface, look for Transfer and Pay in the top menu bar. Hover over it, and when the drop-down appears, click on Transfer Positions. If you have multiple accounts with Interactive Brokers, you'll see an account selector pop up. Choose the account you want to receive the transfer and click Continue. Now you'll see the transfer position screen. In the transaction type dropdown, select Incoming. For the region, select United States. Then in the method dropdown, select ACATS. Once you do that, the broker information section will appear below. This is where you enter your Robinhood details. First, find the broker dropdown and select Robinhood from the list. The DTC number, which is 6769, should auto-populate. Then enter your Robinhood account number, account title, account type, and your tax ID number. If you need your Robinhood Securities account number, open the Robinhood app, tap the account icon in the bottom right, then tap Investing. Your account number appears at the top of that screen. Next, you'll see an option that says Save Broker Information. Select No to keep moving forward. This just saves you time on future transfers if you plan to do more later, but for now we're focused on getting this one done. Now you're at the Assets section. Here's where you decide what to move. If you want to transfer everything from Robinhood, select Yes for Transfer All Assets. You'll be asked if you want to authorize removal of mutual funds. Answer yes or no, and the same for transferring any U.S. microcap stocks. If you only want to transfer specific holdings, select No instead, then click Add Asset to pick individual positions. After you've selected your assets, you'll see the confirmation screen. Review the terms carefully, then check the box or click the button to authorize Interactive Brokers to initiate the transfer on your behalf. Once you've done that, click Submit at the bottom of the screen. Interactive Brokers will now send the transfer instructions to Robinhood, and you can track the progress through your Interactive Brokers account. The whole process typically takes 5 to 7 business days. Keep in mind, Robinhood charges a $100 fee for the transfer out, which will be deducted from your account. If you're transferring $7,500 or more, Interactive Brokers may reimburse up to $75 of that fee. You'll just need to contact their support to request it. Also, if you did a full transfer, your Robinhood account will be restricted immediately, so you won't be able to trade or move cash until everything settles. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your transfer.